Welcome, today I am with iPhone 13 Pro Max and I will show you how you can apply this protective glass on your camera set. So at first we have to start with cleaning this camera set. So you will find these two wipes. At the first we are going to start with the wet one. So let's quickly open it and just clean lenses. With this wet wipe we will remove all fingerprints and greasy marks. And then when you finish you have to open the dry wipe. If you are not sure if they are clean, you have to take a look like that. As you can see, we easily get rid of all of these fingerprints from our lenses. So right now let's use dry wipe. Okay, and you have to be also sure that there is no any piece of the dust on these lenses. It's very important because when you leave something like that, we'll get the air bubbles on our lenses. Of course, we don't want to get it. So right now we have to open this glass. So just make it like that. Put it back and then apply right here. Be sure that everything is fine with lenses. Do it slowly. You don't have to hurry. Okay. And right now, oh, you hear that characteristical jump when you press on it. When you press, we will finally be able to stick this glass on our lenses. We can do also the same with this wipe. And as you can see right now, we easily apply this protective glass on our iPhone. Right now we can open the cameras. And as you can see, everything is clear. There is no any problem with the quality, so you don't have to be afraid of applying this protection on your lenses in iPhone 13 Pro Max and also in every other device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.